Welcome to our channel. If you're trading in an old device and want to maximize your benefits by getting free trial subscriptions included, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these bonus offers. Step 1. Research. Which retailers, manufacturers, or carriers offer trade-in programs with promotional bundles that include free trial subscriptions to streaming services, cloud storage, or premium apps? Step 2. Visit the official website of manufacturers like Apple, Samsung, or Google, or check carrier websites like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile to explore current trade-in promotions. Step 3. Select the trade-in option from the main menu and choose the device you plan to trade in. Enter details about your device's condition to get an estimated trade-in value. Step 4. Review the trade-in offer carefully to see what promotional subscriptions are included. Common offers include Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, YouTube Premium, Google One, or Samsung TV Plus trials. Step 5. Complete the trade-in process by purchasing your new device and following instructions to send in your old device, either by mail or in-store drop-off, depending on the program. Step 6. After your trade-in is processed and accepted, check your email for promotional codes or instructions on how to activate your free trial subscriptions. Step 7. Follow the redemption instructions provided, which typically involve visiting a specific website, entering your promotional code, and creating or signing in to your account for each service. Step 8. Activate each free trial and set reminders for when they expire so you can decide whether to continue with paid subscriptions or cancel before being charged. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.